This is Dee from DJ Designs, and I'm going to show you some fabric that I did get from Sherika Original Handcraft Designs, and I'll put a link in the description of her channel. Wonderful channel. I learned a lot of tips and tricks making earrings, but this is some of the fabric. I had gotten this because I have an AKA event, and I was excited when I saw the pink and green. Also got the one that was purple, and it does have some flecks of gold in it, really nice. And also I have a black and white. This is like a waxy feeling, so I'm going to try these with some earrings and some headbands. And also I got one, it's gold. This is how it looks on the other side, but I'll probably be using this side, and I'll be making earrings. Okay, I'm using my Xtool P2S, and I did layer the fabric onto the wood with Alene's Tacky glue. There is a full tutorial, several tutorials on my YouTube channel. You can get more details. This is more of an abbreviated video to show you the new shapes that I've been using and the fabrics that I did get from Sherika Original Handcraft Designs. And basically all I'm doing is painting the backs of the earrings, and I'm using a skewer stick to hold it still. And it's moving because it's on like a little miniature cupcake rotating tray, which is very good when you're doing resin. I did put 2-part resin on this. Like I said, this is an abbreviated video. There is full tutorials on my channel, and I just wanted to show you the new shapes. Okay, and I'm painting these designs in black. And right now I'm putting the hardware on. It's so fun trying to decide which hardware to put on which design. And this is one of my favorite shapes, the first one that I'm doing. I've done almost every fabric with this shape, and every fabric, it looks wonderful. I use 3mm walnut as a top piece for contrast. And I did coordinate with the hardware. And this is the second one I'm doing. This is a new shape. I really like this shape with this. I'm sure the AKA sorority members are gonna love this. And this is another one of my favorite ones. It's a circle within a circle, and all I'm adding is a larger jump ring, and I'll put the hardware on the back, the posts on the back. This is another fun shape that I found, I designed, and this is another shape that is also brand new, will be on my website. And these are the finished earrings. Love, love, love how it came out. And these are some of them. I didn't finish all of them. And here's my AI model. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you in the next video.